today I have one of my favorite new boxes, Aroma Reveal. This box, it comes in another box, but the smells that come out of this box are amazing. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content in this video. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you. I have met so many new subscribers. Excuse me. I've subscribed to a lot of new YouTubers. So if I make it through this, okay. So I've just met so many great people, and I've met a lot of international people, which is so nice. I just love to listen to them talk. So let's get into this box. I will leave the price. I want to say it's like $35.99 with shipping, but I will leave all the details. I'm not sure if I have a discount code for this, but I'll leave everything below as I always do. And a link to, you know, all my goodie boxes that I open. So let's see if I can break into this, because you know my challenges. But they wrap it very nice, and it says unveil your serenity. So this is just such a great lifestyle box. And it comes with a little trail of goodies, and so pretty. So let's get into it. It's got Aroma Reveal and monthly subscription box of aromatherapy, skincare, and beauty products. One-time purchase box also available. So to me, it's a must-try. So let's get into it. I don't see a card, but I could uncover one. But I'm gonna take this thing out first because it's just too cute. It says Serenity Surprises. And I can't read the front, but look at the cute little bag. Can you see it? I don't want to just like totally stick it in your face, but it's got the little bicycle. Can you see that little bicycle? This bag is so cute. And let's see what the surprise is. It is Naturals by Hask Dry Oil, Weightless Dry Oil for normal to dry hair. So, of course I'll have to get out my magnifying glass. It just says distribute evenly throughout here. So it doesn't say wet or dry. But I'm just gonna spray a little bit because I want to smell it. Oh my God, that smells so good. So that was the surprise in this cute little trendy bag. I just need one probably that much bigger. So that was the first thing. And then we have this little bag, apple cider tea. So I have to open it because I think it's different flavors. And I know there's a lot of you out there that are big tea drinkers. And it's got Jack Frost herbal tea and ginger pear tree and apple cider tea. And there's 2 Jack Frosts. So 4 tea bags. So anybody that wants to come over and sit outside and have tea is always welcome. And I don't know if you saw my video on that little cake subscription box, but I'll leave a link for that above. Oh my God, that thing was amazing, and it's gone. So you'll have to check that out. The next thing in the box is Sanctuary Spa Mandalular Body Souffle. And they had this thing wrapped up so tight that I don't know if I can get in it. Oh, look at that. I'm improving with age. Because I bet you this probably smells delish. We need to be able to smell through our phones. This smells delicious. So this is just such a great lifestyle box. Then the next thing is 20-piece essential bath oil pearl collection by Revive with lemongrass and green tea bath oils, and it's made by, I don't know. But look at that. I guess you just throw them in. I don't know if you have to break them up, but I bet you this leaves your skin amazing. Look at me, I have to smell everything. So this is very nice. Then, oh, there's a thank you. Thank you for your order. Have a nice day. And great customer service. If you have any issues with this purchase, please contact us ASAP and give us a chance to make it right. Great customer service. And then there's this huge box. Baltic Breeze. Oh, it sounds like a cocktail. Warm Baltic amber with bergamot, jasmine, and fresh tea leaves. Fragrance diffuser. Oh my. How jealous are you guys now? Okay, I have to rip it open. I've been getting, I think this is the third diffuser I got in a subscription box, and I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at, excuse me while I rip this apart. Look at the color of that. I know the sun is kind of hitting it. Wow. And here's the things. You must have to stick them in there. I don't smell anything though. I think you have to stick it in there to break it, but how beautiful is that? I'll have to, reeds will absorb fragrance oil and diffuse scent into the air within 24 hours. To adjust fragrance strength for smaller rooms, use fewer reeds. Yeah, you place them in the bottle. Oh, you have to remove the cap. Oh, duh. I have cap issues. So yeah, this is definitely a keeper. And I'll probably be leaving my trail of purple things all over. And then, must be a scarf or something. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging because I'm not gonna keep this. I'm not a huge scarf wearer, and it's got the little things at the end, so I can tell it's probably a scarf, so I'm probably gonna gift it. So it would be nice to get the gift all packaged up and not all crumpled in a ball like I would probably have it. So I'm thinking it's a scarf, but let me know what you think of the pattern. I absolutely love the pattern. So that's really nice. Ooh. A few more things. One more thing in here. I see legs. Gel glove. One size fits all adults. Washable and reusable. What is it? It says spa, olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and lavender oil. I guess it's just these gloves. I mean, they put the whole body in here, so I wasn't sure. But I'm thinking it's just these gloves. But I'm so tired of them using my body when they do marketing. It's just getting out of control. So, it's probably for dry skin. And again, they are reusable. So I will let you know how these worked. So this was everything in my Aroma Reveal box. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave comments. And as always, have an awesome day.